Welcome again, viewers and subscribers, to Jamaica's last beach, and in today's video we're going to be doing a lobster fried rice. Okay, so for this recipe what you'll need is 2 eggs, need some garlic, some onions, some green onions, your lobster of course, you need your rice, some salt and black pepper, and the Chinese soy sauce. Okay, so you start off by putting your frying pan or your wok on a flame that is medium or high heat, and you put the oil in there and let it hot until you see a bit of smoke coming off. Then you go ahead, add your garlic, add your onions, and you're going to cook those until the onions are translucent or until you can see through them. Once your onion and garlic is properly cooked, you're going to go ahead and push those to one side, and the other side you're going to break both of the eggs. And for the eggs, you're going to have those cook until they're no longer runny. So you're going to have them almost like you're scrambling them. Once they're firm and no longer runny, you're going to go ahead and mix the onions and the garlic with the eggs. And once you have that part done, you're going to go ahead and add the lobster. Once you add your lobster, you're going to go ahead and mix all the ingredients along with the lobster in here together. Make sure that everything is properly mixed. Once you're satisfied that you have it mixed properly, you're going to go ahead and add your black pepper and salt to taste. So you add as much or as little as you like. Now the next step is to add your rice. Once you've added your rice, you're going to want to go ahead and give everything in the pot a good mix. Make sure everything is combined and all the ingredients are evenly distributed. The next step is to add the soy sauce. And once you have added the soy sauce, you're going to want to mix everything in the pot so everything has the color of the soy sauce. Once you have done this and you're not seeing any more white rice, then you know that everything has been combined properly. Now here I am just making sure that all of the rice gets a chance to be cooked evenly. So I'm spreading it out just as much as I can. Just helps with the texture of the rice. It gives you more of that fried rice feel in your mouth. And the last step is to go ahead and add your green onions just about a minute before taking it off the fire. Okay, now one last good mix and it's ready to be served. Yes, so this one is pretty much complete now. As you can see, it was really easy and simple. And I hope you guys give it a try. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave us a like and a comment. And if you really enjoy the content that we're putting out, please subscribe for more videos from Jamaica.